To remove background on Capcut, you need to open your Google Play Store. Search for Capcut and click on Download. If you have it already, click on Open. Open the video project, which you would like to modify. This is a short clip of a dark-colored young man having a video chat in an open environment. Pause the video and highlight your desired clip. Scroll the listed options below and click on Cutout. Click on Remove Background and see the magic performance. Congratulations! The background of your video has been eliminated successfully. Click on the play button to see a perfect and amazing job well done by you. Take a deep breath and smile. Ha ha ha. You can earn a lot of money by making marketing videos for yourself and brands. If you're interested in learning video editing, graphics designing, or even digital marketing, you can always reach out to us using the email in description for inquiry. There are lots of features you will find on Capcut. One of these is the burning text, which is so beautiful. If this video really helped you, please help us as well by using the subscription button below. Like and share.